Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel for those who already subscribed. For those who didn't, my name is Alina and I'm a professional makeup artist and hairstylist. So today I will be doing my hair using TIGI product, Bedhead TIGI Foxy Curls, and also S Factor TIGI Volume Hairspray. So we're gonna be doing hair volume as much as I can. I'll try to use those products and see what I can get from this. So continue watching. And so first of all, I'm gonna use this Foxy Curls Extreme Curl Mousse on my hair. So I'm gonna shake it well, and apply it on my roots. Generously, because we want to get as much volume as we can. So now I'm just taking it to the length of the product, whatever is left. And now let's dry this. So I'm gonna take this powerful Babyliss dryer. It's a 2200 watt. It's very strong, so I'm gonna dry it and I'm gonna remove the voice completely, going upside down to dry them to get as much volume as I can. This is the best way to dry your hair, no matter if you have product in your hair or not. This is the best way to get the most volume from your hair naturally. And now I'm taking, this is damp hair, and now I'm taking another dryer, which is Brown Satin Hair 5. I've been using this for years. So now I'm gonna divide it into sections. You see, it's already like there is a structure in the hair and it's quite standing, but what we need is a little bit of shape of this hair. So let's see what we're gonna do. So now I'm gonna split this into sections and work it through with a hair dryer. Brown brand is a great brand and a great dryer, but there's so many different brands right now, and the ones that are actually rotating when you are hair drying and making your hair already styled makes way easier. I haven't tried, but I'm sure it's amazing, and I would recommend you checking that out as well, so it will make your life way easier. This is not an advertisement, but I was just thinking that it would make my life way easier, so it will make yours as well. So I highly recommend checking that out as well. This is not a promotion. So this is the result of the blow dry. I blow dried my hair and look at this. Now it looks properly done. And I have a volume. As you can see, this is no volume. I can feel it. I can definitely feel it, but if you want volume, this really works. I created this hair for the photo shoot, and this is the pictures that I got. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share in the comments if you like this video, and if you want to see more, let me know, because I'm in love with the volume. I absolutely enjoy having volume on my hair. I think it makes me more elevated, elegant, classy. Look at this. The hair are still soft. And this is my hair with my makeup done. I'm ready for the photo shoot, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and the makeup will be in my YouTube channel as well, so watch and look for part 2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this makeup as well. Let me know in the comments if you like this makeup and hair. It will be really interesting to read. Thank you so much.